Today, we're going to show you how to use the Garmin GameOn application in conjunction with the gaming activity on your Garmin smartwatch. The new gaming activity is only available on select Garmin watches. To confirm if your watch is compatible, see the FAQ linked now. The FAQ also includes the steps we will follow in this video and additional links that will be needed to set up the GameOn application. The Garmin GameOn application allows gamers of any level to win more by leveraging biometrics on their watch. To begin, we will need to download the Garmin GameOn application from the Overwolf website. You can also view the system requirements prior to selecting download. Once the file has finished downloading, locate Garmin GameOn installer.exe on your computer. Select it to start the installation. On the installer screen, select your language, and then select Next. The next screen will allow you to select the installation location and set up any shortcuts. Now agree to Overwolf's terms and privacy policy by selecting the checkbox. Then click Next. Once the installation has completed, select Launch. Now review and agree to the EULA. The first time you open the Garmin GameOn application, it will provide a tutorial. Once you are ready to move to the next screen, press the arrow on the lower right. After you have finished reviewing the tutorial, the GameOn app will begin searching for your watch. Note, for this step, your computer must support Bluetooth to connect the GameOn app with your smartwatch. On your watch, add the new gaming activity. For help, see Adding an Activity in your watch's owner's manual. Now, open the gaming activity. The first time you open the gaming activity, it will provide information about notifications being blocked during this activity. Scroll down to continue. Select Pair Now to begin connecting to your computer's Bluetooth. Back on your computer, your watch will now be listed. If not, select the refresh icon in the top right. Then select your watch, followed by OK. Enter the PIN shown on the watch and select OK. The app's HUD display will open. This provides your heart rate, stress, body battery, and information over the gaming session. You can click and drag to position the HUD display to your preferred location at any time. Now you are ready to open your game. Supported games will automatically start and end your watch gaming activity. Unsupported games will require you to manually start and stop the activity on the watch. For a list of supported games, visit the link in our FAQ. And that's it. You have now set up the Garmin GameOn application with your watch and are ready to grind. For more help, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.